Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing my room tour. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now, and I'm also going to be showing you what the room will look like in future videos. So this is basically my bed. It is just a double bed with a canopy and a mirror. The mirror that I have there shouldn't really be there, it should be above my dresser, but I moved the bed and I didn't bother to move the mirror. I have a black chandelier on the ceiling, which I intend to keep. And I have drawers on either side. I mean, this video was a couple of months ago. I am going to show you another clip of it. Looks pretty much the same, but with just a few alterations, which I'll show you, including the canopies gone and another different side table to the left. But this is what it just looked like a few months ago. So I'm just going to say that over to the left you can see that I have some fitted wardrobes, and obviously those will stay, and I have a nice little sticker on there with some flowers that are just blowing away there, and I like that effect. And it just says a little saying live life to the fullest. So the wallpaper is very floral. I like that kind of cottagey feel as well to a room, so I'm going to be keeping the wallpaper and just work my way around that. The full extent of the bed in this image, and also the pink walls on the side there, which I don't intend to keep. I don't really like pink walls, so I'm going to be doing something about that, and I'll show you that. And over this side we have the double wardrobes and my little chest of drawers, which I use as a dresser, and that's where I keep all my makeup and stuff. It's not very well designed at the moment, but yes, there's the door which needs painting and my fitted wardrobe. So this is kind of an overall view of it. This is from the top how it would look. The carpet also needs to be changed. So this is pretty much the room and how it looks at the moment. After this I'm going to show an updated video of what it looks like to the present date, and talk to you about, again, the kind of things that I have in my room and things that I'm not happy about. And I want to just show you what my room looks like at the moment. So as you can see, the door is here, and I have a lot of things hanging on my door, which I shouldn't really, but I do have a lot of things hanging on my door. But that will change because I just want to show you my room at the moment. So this is a part one of 2 or maybe 3 or 4 videos, depending on the transformation that I'm going to do. But I want to do it all step by step and go through it with you. So I'm thinking of getting a full length mirror on this door. So that's something, a difference that you'll see. And obviously at the moment I've got so many clothes and things hanging on here, and it's just because there are pegs up there and it's just convenient to hang dressing gowns and things, but I want to change and eliminate that. So that's the door. So I'm starting from the door, pink wall here, which I obviously want to paint white. So that's going to change. So next to that, you can see some fitted wardrobes, and those obviously are there to stay, and they are very, very convenient. I have 3 on the top and 3 wardrobe doors, which gives me a lot of space, and they go from, obviously you can see they go from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So that's beautiful storage space. I have changed the handles. They weren't these handles originally. I'd like to show you the handles that I changed them to, and they're kind of like a cracked effect that they do, and I liked that. So I would like to keep these handles, and I have put on a sticker, one of those transfer stickers on the door, which I really liked. It gave it that nice you know, it wasn't too much, and it was flowers, and it gave me the feeling of spring, and then a little message on there saying live life to its fullest. So, and then if I open wardrobe number 1 here, I did have a kind of a mirror effect here, but it's very blurry and it's not very good, and that's one I got from Amazon. I wouldn't recommend. That's why I want a full-length mirror on my door. And then, as you can see, I've just got clothes, and I've got a shoe rack there with some shoes in. So basically that's drawer number 1. And then if we go over to drawer number 2, from the top there, and then going down, and then I've just got like baskets of things, and a lot of things are like my, you know, old iPhone cases, and like my iPhone, another case that I've got from Apple that I bought, and my iPhone case in here. So, and then I've got a just a bag of stuff at the back there, and a shoe box down here with probably some stuff in. And then over there I've just got some bags. There's some bags that I change with, so you can see like bags. And then there's one of my nice bags at the back there. You probably can't see it, but I'll show you that as well. Oh, there we go. So there's a nice little bag here as well. I haven't used this bag yet. The last one. Again, I have clothes. And then down here, I have my backpack, which is a nice, cute little backpack with a little fur grey tassel on it. And then I have a face steamer there, hardly used, and some shoes over here, boots. So yeah, so that's what I'm storing below the cupboards, which is really good for storage space. So that's drawer number 3. As we go into the corner, as you can see, I'm going to keep this wallpaper. I have this bag, and it's on a nice little Venetian mirror hook, which I really like, but I might change this and put that over here, and then I might put shelves over here and put shelves down. So in the corner I have this stool, which I'm going to paint and redo and use that for another video and show you that. And you might think, why have I got a stool? But it's very handy for that top drawer that I was telling you about. And who sits on the drawer? A nice teddy bear, again with the pink clothes to go with the theme. And then I have a unit here with 4 drawers. It's new, that's why it's still got the tag on. And it has keys, and I like that. And then every drawer has its own key. Obviously mine are not locked, but it's just an option to have. So what do I keep on the top here? On the top here I have a lantern here. I have my favourite perfume, my diary, gold diary and pen, rose gold pen here. And I have all my cosmetic brushes. I got all this from Amazon. I can put the links down below, and it comes in this little case here, container, which looks kind of like Victorian ornate, and it's got lovely pearls, and that's the reason I think I got it, was for the pearls. Behind is just a birthday card, and I just liked the design on it, so I kept that. And then I've got some day cream, night creams. So I'm going to show you the shelves that I got from IKEA. Haven't yet had a chance to put them up, and they'll, if I was to put them up on the wall, they will go up like that. So I've got 2 of those, and then I might put them here, and like I said, put that hook over there, and then display some things on that, just for space saving ideas. I really like that fur that it's got going on at the end of the bed. And then I have at the end, right at the very end, I have my pillows, and I've got this pillow and it's just got this design. I'm not going to stick with these colours anymore because it doesn't really go with the room. I want to get some pink covers for these, so that's what I'm going to do. And I just have another home pillow, but I do like this one. I'm thinking that I'll keep that one. So that's the end of the bed, and then we'll go over to the other side of the room. That's what it looks like at the end of the bed. And if you look right the way down, I have this kind of, I don't really have a work desk. I can't really fit a desk in my room, so I work off this kind of like workstation here, which is one that you would put on your bed and work. And I have my laptop, I've got a mouse, I've got a hard drive, and this is a nice little kind of like, it's a little workstation. It doesn't have to be a desk. I sit on my bed and I work at night, or if I'm not working here, I'll take my laptop down to the kitchen where I have a table and chairs there. And I got that from Amazon, and I'll put links down below where I got that from. And it's got a little mouse as well, which I got from Amazon, which is nice with butterflies. I can show you that. So that's that Venetian mirror, which is in the wrong place because I changed the bed round, so that has to change. So you'll see all that. And I'm going to change the curtains. As you can see, this is the floor at the moment that I'm not happy with, so I'm going to be changing this patterned carpet. It looks a bit too busy for the room. And I'm going to, like I said, paint this wall and take it from pink. As you can see, there are white marks, and that is just a filler to block out some of the holes in preparation for a paint job. And I'm thinking of doing a nice subtle glitter white paint there, and I'll show that in another video. So please like and subscribe and make any comments down below. And as always, a big thank you for watching.